light. We will display many kinds of strip light. Usually we have high voltage and low voltage two versions. We would like to introduce with high version firstly.
Yes, and this one is the high voltage strip light. Yes, you can see that it is the waterproof rate. It has IP65. Yes, the waterproof rate we can make it at 65 to 68, so it can be used in outdoor. Yes.
Yeah. Our high voltage LED strip with different power and different IP protection. We have different voltage, and we have IP range from 20 to 68. Normally, people were thinking its high voltage for LED strip light is dangerous.
Yes, but all this to use, it is very safe. Safe as the LED downlight. You know, for the LED downlight, we always use the voltage from 220 to 240 voltage, right? So the high voltage driver, it is safe here. It is not dangerous. Okay, and the costs are much competitive than the low voltage LED strip, and the lumen output and the light effect are much better. So this high voltage strip light, it is much convenient and it costs very lower. Yes.
Yeah. Let's show the PPT to show some example. PPT.
Okay.
Let's show the IP20, and IP65 and IP68. The difference. You can see the PPT clearly.
Yes, for the first one, we would like to introduce the IP20 strip light for you.
Yeah. First, this is the IP20. First, the material of IP20 LED strip is bare PCB. You can check, and the PFC dimension is 8 mm, and the voltage of this light is 220 to 240, and about the power, it is from 4 voltage to 14.4 voltage per meter. Also about the chip, we use 28355 SMD, and it is 60 pieces per meter. And also we can have use 5050 SMD, it is 60 pieces per meter. And further, CRI. The CRI is more than 80, and further correlated color temperature, we have 2020 Kelvin and 2700 Kelvin and 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 6500 Kelvin. And for this strip light, this is IP20.
Yes, and for this IP20 strip light, we usually use for indoor lighting. Yes, it is because the IP20 is enough for the indoor use, and the price is very competitive for the IP20.
Yeah, and then let my partner Tracy introduce about the IP65 LED strip to you.
Okay, yes, for this IP65 LED strip light, we have the silicon sleeve. For this one, in my hand, it is the silicon sleeve, and this one is the cover. Yes, so that it is a little different for these two IP20s. For these two IP65 strip light. Yes, but the dimension they are the same. The white is 8 mm, and yes, we can make it high voltage, and also we can make it a lower voltage. If you have any specific requirements, just contact us. We will customize for you. And for the power of this strip light, we can also make so many different power for per meters. Yes. Just let me know your requirements. We will make it for you. And also for the CRI, we always make it more than 80. Yes, so the light source so the light effect is very soft. Yes. And we can make it a single color, red, green, blue, purple, any of the single color we can make it. And for the white color, we can make all the color temperature. And yes, for this one, we can make it IP65. Also, we can make it IP68. That means you can use in outdoor and you can use under the water. Yes.
We have high voltage LED strip installation accessories. We have high voltage LED strip plug. You can check.
Yes.
And also have high voltage LED strip controllers. This is the controller. And we also have high voltage LED strip accessories. This one is the accessories. For LED strip light, if without accessories, it also not work. Accessories is very important part for the LED strip light. In the picture, here is the plug, and here is the controls, and this is the small installation for clients. You can choose any one you want, so the high voltage strip can be used.
Yes. For the strip light, we use widely for home or for restaurant or for the hotel or for the bridge. Yes. And also we can make it at the for example for the toys, also for the Christmas lighting. Yes, because it is flexible, so we can make it any shape.
And for the strip light series, based on the voltage input, we have low voltage strip light and high voltage strip light. Let's see our low voltage strip light here. There are lots of to be noticed as well. For example, as it is low voltage input, there must be an external driver to load the light, and the driver output voltage should be same as the strip light input voltage. If your strip voltage is 220, so your driver output voltage also should be 220. We need to be noticed the strip light is 12 voltage or 24 voltage. Normally speaking, 24 voltage strip light can have longer connection compared to 12 voltage strip light.
Yes, so just mention about the low voltage. We need a driver, right? Yes, we need a driver to combination to fix the voltage. Yes, so let's talk about the IP rate.
Based on the IP class, speaking to the bare PCB, silicon sleeve type, and silicon coating type, they can choose different IP class from IP20 to IP65. By the way, for the wholesale package, we designed 5 meters lower and came with a 80 voltage driver.
Yes, and high quality left saw. We always use the high quality left saws. Yes, the left saw with CNI more than 80s and keep the better color temperature consistency. Chips options include so many LED strips. You can let me know what kind of strip you want, or we just recommend the right LED strip for you.
Yeah, the standard design is 5 meters per lower, and with clear cutting position on each meter. It has the sun, which is convenient to cut and install. But many clients will regard the strip light as the wholesale products, so we could suggest to make your own design. In order to impress your company image, we would like you could print your logo into the PCB board and make the sticker to distinguish your products from others, even this is very basic product. Like we talked before, pay attention to every detail and you will get the markets.
Yes, as we mentioned that for normally we usually make it a 5 meter per row, but if you want cut it for 4 meters per row, just contact us, we can make it for you.
Yeah. The biggest advantage is the flexibility. Normally we use it in the code and some location which have slots to hide the strip light, like the ceiling, cabinet, wardrobe, or the staircase.
Yes, so we use this strip light for so many places, and because it is cheap than the downlight, and the left saw is very soft and so very beautiful, and it can be has so many colors. So just choose this strip light for your home or for your project.
Yeah. Okay. Let me again to introduce let us introduce the near strip light to the customer.
Okay.
This near strip light.
Okay, that's so much for this strip light. Let's move to our next.
Next strip light.
Yes.
And you can check this one. This one is the near strip light. You can see the surface is protected well by this silicone, and you can check. And for this near strip light, it can many colors. It can have blue color or yellow color or pink color. It is also okay for you. And for this is near strip light, the IP is 68, so it has waterproof function. You don't need to worry. It will broken easily in the outside. And for this near strip light, our MOQ is 100 meters for 100 meters. So you can try to have a small order for this near strip light. And Tracy, what kind of near strip light color we have?
Yes, for this light, we have all the colors. For example, the white color, red color, and green, blue, purple, and also we have the chip color or dark color in one strip light.
This near strip light, the voltage is high voltage or low voltage?
It is the lower voltage. We usually make it at DC 12 or 24 voltage.
24 voltage. So if this new strip light is 12 voltage and 24 voltage, we need to match the driver for it. What kind of driver like IP65 to 68 we have mean-wire driver. Does it have this function?
Yes, if this line we make it IP65 for the water grade, so we will match a driver for you. The driver is the IP65.
So the new strip light looks more strong than the IP20 because it has a silicon.
Yes.
Yeah. Because IP20 just is some strip on the light. Very simple design. This have very strong silicon as the surface, so protect the new strip very well.
Yes, and the silicon can make the light source very beautiful.
Yeah. This one is a very beautiful color. Also, we can do red color or blue color for you. It is also okay for you. Also, if we sell, how many meters we usually sell?
How many meters? We usually make it 5 meter per minute.
Yeah. This is the purple one. You can check. This one is 5 meter per roll. You can check it. And we have many different kinds of light source. We have 2835 SMD and 5050 SMD and 5730 SMD. And for this kind of strip light, we can have different color. We have blue color, green color, pink color, orange, and yellow, and other color you can choose. Also, for this kind of strip light, you need to. It also can wear to be installed. Also during the transportation. We can lower this part, so it can save the space. It can save more transportation fees for you. Okay, this part is a new strip. Let's introduce another RGBW strip for our customer.
Okay, this one we have 4 colors in one strip line.
Yeah. This is RGBW. We have four kinds of color, right?
Yes, we have 4 colors in one LED strip light. It is light green, blue, and white color in one LED strip light. You can save your price and save your money. Yes.
This is IP20.
Yes.
Yeah. Because it don't have the silicon. Yeah.
Yes.
For this kind is RGBW. It has 4 kinds of color, and also the voltage is 24 voltage. And for this one is single color. Do we have RGBW 12 voltage strip light?
Yes, we can make it RGB color in one strip light, and we can also make it 12 voltage for the strip light.
I can show this part clearly to you.
Yes.
Okay, check. You can check. It is 4 wires. You can check. And for this is green color, and this is red color, and this is blue color, and this is white color. It has 4 colors, so it means RGBW. It has more good lighting effect. You can choose in some hotel or some bar. It is also okay for you.
Yes, if you want this RGBW 4 colors in one street light and you want to use in outdoor, yes, we can also make it IP65 for the four color street light.
Yeah. And for this one is normal strip light. It is IP65 and it is a single color. The voltage is 12 voltage, and for this one, it is just one single color. So it needs to use the driver to connect with the strip light, so it can be used. You should match the driver very well. Usually the driver voltage should higher 20% than the strip light voltage. Because the distance will influence the power, you should be attention to this. You can't, if the strip light voltage is 50 voltage, you better choose 60 voltage driver, so the lighting effect will be more better.
Yes, okay, so let's make a conclusion. We talk so much strip light today.
Yeah.
Yes, it is the higher voltage strip light and the lower voltage strip light and the waterproof voltages and the waterproof strip light and the non-waterproof strip lights, and also we have the neon strip light. Yes, so we can make it so many times. Just let us know your requirements. Yes, we want to know your detailed requirements so we can make it for you.
Yeah. Let me introduce again. This one is the normal one. It is 20. It is high voltage. It is 220 voltage. It is 100 meter per hour.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is you need to pay attention to the accessories. You should match the little accessories so it can be used. You can use the driver to match with it, and the little accessories so this high voltage strip light can be used.
Yes.
And for this one, is low voltage. It has 12 voltage and 24 voltage. Usually low voltage have waterproof function. You can check it has the silicone to protect the strip light. You can check. So it has waterproof function. For the low voltage, you should pay attention to the driver. You need to match the driver for it. Because this part you need to pay attention. The low voltage you can't connect with the high voltage wire. It is be very dangerous and it will destroy the strip light. You must connect a driver for it. And for this one, it also is low voltage. This one is IP20. You can check, and this one is IP65. You can check it. Okay, Tracy, let's you introduce final the near strip light again to our customer.
Okay.
Let's introduce the near strip light to our customer. For this strip light, it has many silicone it has strong silicone to protect the light. Usually near strip light, the price will be expensive a little than the normal strip light. Don't have high level silicone. Also for this kind of near strip light, we have different color. We have pink color, orange color, and blue color, and red color. You can choose any color you want. You can see this is the colorful image of different strip light, near strip light. For this strip light, it is 5 meters per hour. You can buy a small quantity to try. We also our MQ is 100 meters. So you can try to have a try. This one price is higher a little than this IP65 because it looks more strong than this one. You can see the silicon difference. This is very strong, and this is very thickness, and this is single liter. You can check it. Also, so today we have introduced high level voltage and low level voltage, and I have introduced some clear tips you should mention to choose the voltage you need notice. For the for the low voltage, you should match the driver for it, and for the high voltage, you should match the accessory and little driver components for it, so it can be used. Juicy, personally, you prefer which kind of strip light mostly?
Yes. For this one, I like it. I like this one. Yes, because the light source will make the light effect very beautiful. Yes.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful thing.
Yes. Yes. So that's all for today. Just for we have all the LED strip light from the IP20 to IP68, and for the lower voltage strip light and higher voltage strip light, and we have the normal strip light and new strip light. Yes, we can make it any color. Just contact us. We will let you know more details.
Yeah, you can choose any strip light you want and ask me the price. You can tell me your request. Do you need waterproof function? What kind of voltage do you need? So I can match the better strip light for you. Okay, today our Facebook online show has finished. Do you like our strip light? You can try to leave the message to ask the price. We will provide the good service to you. Okay, so today is finished. If you want more message, you can look our website. Okay, bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.